It starts with a text, a party, a concert, or just a busy mall. You want to go, you really do. But the moment you step inside, something happens. The lights feel a little too sharp, the music feels like it's vibrating inside your chest. While everyone else is laughing, you're calculating. You're tracking the exit signs. You're noticing the person shouting in the corner. You aren't being difficult and you aren't antisocial. You are experiencing a high-speed system crash. I'm Artsy, and today we're going to open up the hood of your brain and fix the math. In psychology, we call this sensory processing sensitivity. About 20% of the population is wired this way. Think of a standard brain like a funnel. It takes in the world, but it filters out the junk. The humming refrigerator, the background chatter, the smell of old coffee. But your brain? Your funnel is broken. Or rather, it's not a funnel at all. It's a wide open door. You're taking in every micro-expression, every shift in the room's temperature, and every overlapping conversation. From an evolutionary standpoint, you were the sentry, the one who noticed the predator in the grass while everyone else was eating. But in a modern bar, that sentry mode is exhausting. Let's look at the data cost. Meet your internal accountant. He has a limited budget of mental energy for the day. When you're at home, a conversation with a friend costs 5 points. Easy. But in a crowd, the math changes. The accountant has to pay for it all. The loud bass, that's 10 points. Flickering neon, 5 points. Physical touch from strangers, that's a big 20. And the pressure to act like you're having fun, a massive 50. Suddenly, your budget is gone. The accountant doesn't care if it's your best friend's birthday. He hits the emergency power save mode. That's why you go quiet. That's why you feel numb. Your system is literally protecting itself from a total blowout. Sign 1. The exit strategy. You can't fully relax because 10% of your brain is constantly mapping the fastest way out. You know where the bathroom is, where the door is, and exactly how long it takes to call an Uber. You aren't present because you're busy being an escape artist. Sign 2. The social hangover. Most people go to sleep and wake up refreshed. You wake up feeling like you ran a marathon in your mind. You need low stimulus time. No lights, no talking, no decisions, just to let the accountant finish filing all that data from the night before. Sign 3. Emotional mirroring. You don't just see emotions, you wear them. If someone across the table is secretly annoyed, you start feeling annoyed. You're a human sponge in a room full of spilled water. No wonder you're heavy. So how do we fix the math? We use the 1-inch box technique. When the world gets too loud, your accountant is trying to audit the whole room at once. Stop him. Force your focus into a 1-inch box. Only the person you are talking to exists. Only the taste of your drink exists. By cropping the image, you manually lower the data cost. You're telling the accountant, ignore the rest, just process this. It won't give you infinite energy, but it will stop the system from crashing before the night is over. Understanding your brain isn't about changing who you are. It's about changing your environment to fit your math. So, tell me, what's the one place that always drains your battery? Or do you have a trick for shrinking the box that I missed? Drop a comment below. I read all of them. Subscribe if you want to keep mapping out the mess inside our heads. I'm Artsy. Thanks for watching.